well as their art projects. But art could be not only there, art around us. We can wear it, we can sit on it, we can eat from it and with it. And some years ago, I was visited Prague and was in museum of famous Czech artist Alphonse Mucha. Of course, I heard about him before and was a big fan of him. But what struck me the most, among his wonderful paintings and graphic issues, he made extraordinary designs, jewelry, silverware, even crockery, interior, furniture. I was wondering why he did it. He's an artist. But I discovered one thing, that Alphonse Mucha was one of the representatives of new art style of time. I had some questions and I find out the answers. First, when it was all began, it all started in 1860s in England, the most industrial developed country in the world of that time. Famous English writer and architect William Morris, in collaboration with his followers, some artists, established new movement which had named Art and Craft. In Russian, искусство и ремесло. They declared that Industrial Revolution separated person from its creativity and individuality. People was living in machine-made, faceless goods, and art and craft proponents wanted to bring art in everyday life. They wanted to bring art in every piece, in everything being used in life. Of course, they not completely succeed because handmade products were very expensive for mass, but they invented a new art movement, which most known as Art Nouveau, by the name of French gallery, which is firstly was presented in 1895. Please next. And here you can see the jewelry made by Alphonse Mucha, and also other pieces of design. Okay. What was the main features of this style? There were some. As you see, all pieces were covered by curvy, willowy lines. Painters, illustrators, and jewelry and silverware designers, they explored symbolic and dreamlike themes. They wanted to establish completely new, something new, to break all connections with old classical Victorian style. And at the same time, they wanted to connect, to bring down the difference between fine art and applied art, craft. Art Nouveau movement was so broad in its scope that could be some Europeans could live in Art Nouveau inspired houses. They used Art Nouveau furniture, lamps, vases, candles, everything, and it was high fashionable. It was really modern, and it was, I think, beautiful. who were the representatives of this new style? Lots of well-known names. I only can stop on a few of them. British illustrator Everett Berkeley was well-known illustrator. Again, next. And of course, everybody knows Gustav Klimt. He was also representative of art and work. But the most huge impact art and work had on architecture. Some famous architecture made the interior and exterior building in this style. Here we can see the Belgium architecture, Victor Porta, well-known architecture. And I think that even now, most of us like to have that stairs and that interior in our house, even before, 100 years. Okay. In Paris, the metro station also made in Art Nouveau style, and one of the famous Antonio Gaudi's Spanish architecture. It was amazing, curvy, wavy walls. I think for that time it was strange and weird. It was so new. So, the Art Nouveau impact was lasted only 15 years, but it was very huge, and of course it influenced further art styles like Art Deco or Futurism. But this is the art story. And from my personal point of view, what the most important, that it brings to life, it gives the road to design development in different areas. And on the other hand, it was very nature-oriented style, very close to nature, with this line, with its shape. And I think it's very interesting, and want you to read more, to study